So here is the last tutorial, and in this last tutorial we're going to write this entire as a single fraction, and we will have 1 plus v all over u added to 1 minus u all over v. The first thing we simply need to do is to get the LCM. And what is the LCM of u and v? So the LCM of u and v. The LCM of u and v will simply write u can divide u once but cannot divide v. Then you'll have v can divide v there. Therefore the LCM will be u times v, which is u v. Now that is the LCM of the denominator. So we'll write that as the LCM u v. From here we divide the LCM by this denominator. So u can go into uv how many times? So uv divided by u will simply have v, because this u and u will cancel. So that v is what we multiply with the numerator. So v in bracket multiplied by 1 plus v. Then we are supposed to add. Now v can divide this. We simply write uv divided by v to be equivalent to u, because this v and v will cancel. So we'll have u in bracket 1 minus u. From here we'll simply need to open up the brackets. So let's work out the numerator separately. The numerator will be v times 1 will be v added to v times v will be v squared. Then we are supposed to add u times 1 will be u added to u times negative u, and that will be negative u squared. All of this is the numerator. Now I want us to rewrite this numerator in another unique way, and that will make us combine this so that we'll have v plus u added to v squared minus u squared. This is the entire numerator, and I've rewritten the numerator in this simple format. Now for a form 1, I will not express this in another way. Well, for a form 1 concept, we'll simply leave it at this point. Then we combine the denominator here. So the final answer will simply be v plus u plus v squared minus u squared. All of this all over u v. If there's any part in all the tutorials I have uploaded you did not understand, make sure you rewatch the videos, and also let me know your thoughts on the comment dialog box below this video. Finally, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the video.